Welcome back to another LTS unboxing video. I'm Joel, and today we're taking a look at the Defendas access control system. Here we have the Defendas controller and 3 different reader options available. Let's start by taking a look at the Defendas controller. Defendas controllers come in 2-door and 4-door configurations, all housed in a sleek metal enclosure. Now let's take a look at the 3 reader options available with Defendas. First, we're going to start off with the ST10 MEK reader, designed for both indoor and outdoor use. This reader is UL 294 certified, which is ideal for installations that require maximum flexibility and durability. Next up, we have the ST902 MEK entry-level reader, a cost-effective option with solid performance. This reader is great for projects that require reliable access control without advanced credential types. And lastly is the ST Enroller reader, which is specifically designed for EM and MyFair card enrollment. Let's talk about where Defendas fits in the LTS lineup. Defendas is not a replacement for Platinum or Pro X. It's a standalone access control platform. Currently, Defendas supports up to 21 controllers, up to 84 doors, up to 5,000 users, and 10,000 transactions, plus unlimited archive downloads. Features include anti-passback, lockdown, linkage, built-in PoE, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Defendas has a built-in web-based application, so there's no additional software for you to download and no recurring licensing fees for the platform itself. The web interface allows for flexible user management and custom access levels for different roles and permissions. Defendas offers a mobile app that functions as a digital badge. Mobile credentials are licensed per credential, and it's important to note that if a phone is lost or damaged, that mobile credential cannot be recovered, and a new mobile credential license will need to be purchased. Thanks so much for watching, and consider subscribing for all the updates for the latest LTS solutions. Until next time.